In primetime news this evening, Jamaicans give government high ratings for handling of COVID-19 pandemic. The findings of the RJR Gleaner Don Anderson polls. Political parties to face off in national debates, but some things will change due to the pandemic. And heated exchanges dominate final sitting of the Senate. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, we have the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think should be the main campaign issues in this election?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.
We're back again.